Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I have a great unboxing for you today. I have a bead box for February of 2024, and I love this bead box. Their Czech fire polish beads are always so much fun to work with, along with all their other beads. I have a coupon code BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave a link below in the description to their website along with the coupon code so you can use it. So without further ado, let us open this beauty. Okay, so February 2024. Well, January certainly has been a crazy weather month here in the Chicago area, and that's where I'm from. We battled the cold and snow. We also know that many of you have been dealing with wind, rain, and wild storms. We hope everyone has been safe. I've decided the best thing to do is stay inside and curl up with some beading projects. Yes, that's for sure. So, here is the fire polish, the Czech fire polish. You have 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh, look at these. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, look at those. Oh, look at that green and that caramel color and the green, and then oh, look at these gorgeous, and that strand of gray. Oh, I can't wait to open these up. And then here is the box. Ooh, more of them. Look at these. Oh, are we gonna have fun with these? Look at these. Ooh. Oh, and I love these beads when they send them. Oh, let's hurry up. Let's hurry up and start the unboxing. Can't wait any longer. Okay, I hope my lighting's good here. So, let's do, let me see, 4 and 4, and then here's the 3s. So pretty. Matte dark olive, burnt sienna. I would say that's travertine, and that's smoky topaz. So here's the 3mm, and then for the 4, it's burnt sienna, jet green travertine, gold sage or crystal. Wait a minute. Gold sage or green with copper wash. Hold on one second. Burnt sienna, that's that one. Jet green travertine or crystal fern. Gold sage or green with copper wash. I think this is the gold sage. Wait. Confused here. Yeah, travertine is next. And golden sage, here it is. Or green with copper wash. Oh, here, no, this is the green with copper wash. I see it now. And this is topaz luster. Okay, well, let's look at the 3 and 4mm burnt siennas. These are beautiful, and I love that they give us a 3 and a 4mm, because if you're working on a project, you have one in each size. And each strand is supposed to have 50 beads on it. And what's great is if you subscribe to their box, this box, and you get this Check Fire Polish bag, you get 8 strands for $8. And you cannot beat this. If you were to go into a bead store or anywhere, these would be like $3, $4 a strand. And their Check Fire Polish beads are so pretty. And then when you order them, let's say that I was going to work on a project and I wanted to order 6 more strands. I could get 6 more strands for $6. So they're just $1 a strand. So you could go on and go crazy ordering. Imagine you could spend $20 and get 20 more strands of these. So these are the burnt sienna. Absolutely beautiful. And next for the 3mm is the matte dark olive. Look at that. I'm bringing that up close. I don't tell if it's out of focus or not. So pretty. Next is travertine. It's such a unique color because you see almost like a hint of olive in there. But there's almost like some silver and gray over it. I never knew how much fun you could have with beads. When I started beading, I was instantly hooked. And I love the colors. And last for the 3mm is light smoky topaz. These are pretty. They have like a little coppery color over the top of them. You turn it. So pretty. Next is, for the 4 strands, the jet green travertine. So we have 2, but this has a little different of a coating on it. If you can see it in the, so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to work with these. And next is gold sage or green. We have the green with copper wash. So some of you might have the gold sage. That sounds pretty too. You see that little copper? I don't know if you could see it in the... And last but not least is topaz luster or light topaz luster. I think this is just topaz luster, because I think the light would be more like kind of like that color. This is kind of a rich color. So when it's got a really pretty coating on it. So pretty. So yes, you get these 8 strands for $8. And if you use my coupon code BNJewelry2, you'll get $2 off your first order with them. So let's put these away and get started with all these beauties. Let me get these unboxed. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. We're starting with the strands. This beautiful strand is 6x6mm check glass 2-hole flat silky in bronze green, 25 pieces. And these are 2-hole beads. So you can see the way they go through on the top. You can do a lot of fun things with these if you're into sewing and everything. So we have those. Next is the 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle smoky quartz. And this is 25 pieces. Look how pretty that is. And this goes really well with the fire polish strands. I love that rondelle cut. And next we have a 6mm and a 5mm check fire polish jet green travertine. The 6mm has 20 pieces. The 5mm has 25 pieces. And it also goes with the other check fire polish strands, the smaller one. So you've got like 4 strands now of this. Look at, I don't know if the camera is picking up all of the texture. Look at that bead there. I don't know if you can see the texture in there. But it's just these swirls of gorgeousness. I'm like at a loss for words looking at these. Yeah, oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to work with these. Next is 7x19mm check glass peeled olive, green with travertine, 6 pieces. Look at that. It's like a pretty green and it has like It's like a caramel wash on it that will go good with those fire polish beads, the burnt sienna ones. I love that they started matching up all their stuff in their boxes because they're just so pretty. And last is the 5mm check fire polish in moss green luster, 25 pieces. Look at that, how pretty. So gorgeous. So now we're going to start with the bags. This is 6mm check glass abstract squares, green quartz with vitriol, 8 pieces. So here we have, I'm going to put a few on. So you can kind of see them on a head pin. Really pretty there. So we have them. And they have different, each side is a little different. You know, and you have that one then that's not see-through, and then the rest are on the other sides. So these are really pretty. And next is 5x7mm Chinese star cut crystal green vitriol, 6 pieces. Let me pick up a few of these. So pretty. Here's these. These are really pretty. I love that finish to them. That little bit of sparkle in them. And next, these are gorgeous. 12mm check glass Drux, red travertine or green travertine, 2 pieces. I'm glad they gave us the green. Look at that, I can see that finish in there. I think if I put it too close to the camera, can't really see, but you can see how that, see how the swirls in there and the texture on these. Oh, so pretty. And next, this is really pretty. This looks like Mickey Mouse ears. Next is a 14mm mother of pearl trefoil, 1 piece. And here is the hole. This would be pretty for like the topping of like a pendant, if you want to make a pendant for a necklace. Or you can use it for the bottom of the pendant. Doesn't that look like Mickey Mouse ears? You could tell the era I was born in. So that's gorgeous. Next is 5x7mm check glass Baroque Pearl Creams, 12 pieces. Look how pretty these are. And these are they go through like this. Got like little, I don't know if you can see them, I'm kind of turning them, you can kind of see they have a little bit of impressions on them. So these are pretty. Okay. And then next is 8mm pewter filigree bead caps and antique brass, 6 pieces. So that's the one side, and then this is the other side. These are so pretty. And then next is 12mm pewter toggle antique brass, 1 set. Can never have too many toggle sets for your jewelry. That's really pretty. And next is 8mm check glass melon green with copper wash, 8 pieces. These are beautiful. Got a little bit of weight to them too. Not that they're heavy, but these are a nice bead. As you can see, you've got like that reflection going on in them as you move them around. So that's them. So pretty. And next is 5x15mm check glass large hole Celtic Black Light Sage, 6 pieces. Love these. Here's them. We've gotten them in other colors before. I liked the one that was the pink. It was almost like a salmon pink with like a light gold wash on it. That was a really pretty one. So yeah, so we've got these. And then next is 14mm check glass swirl button in beige opal, 1 piece. So that's that side, and then that's this. It's so pretty. And next is 9mm check glass center hole triangle smoke or smoky quartz, 10 quantity. This is just smoke. I could be. So that's how they go. It's in the middle. So these could be pretty for stacking, if you want to stack beads in between it, or something fun, or to give a different shape and texture on a piece of jewelry you're making. Those would be really pretty. And last but not least, out of this gorgeous box is 6x6mm Tiara cast puppy paw antique gold plate, 2 pieces. Oh, how cute are these? Look how cute these are. Puppy paws. Aww. Who doesn't love puppy paws? So that is it for the February 2024 dollar bead box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, I have my coupon code BeAndJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave that below, as well as a link to the dollar bead box. And I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages if you'd like to follow me on any of those. And please subscribe, share, and like my videos, because it really helps my algorithms on YouTube, and it helps to bring up my channel, and it motivates me to create more content. So stay tuned. I have a lot of great videos to come, and I will see you on the next one. You have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.